Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna discuss about the comparison between the insurance companies available in the USA. We will discuss their fares, their prices, and their values before accident and after accident. Also, these prices will be vary according to your state. So let's get started. I have already issued I've already published some videos as well about the other insurance companies in detail. So if you haven't watched them yet, so visit my channel. Hope you will find them informative. So let's get started. Today we are going to discuss about the car insurance online. Okay, so here we need to select the state where you are living, what kind of insurance you want to compare, your age, and are you currently insured or not, and then you can find it easily as well. Okay, so we found that USA and State Farm are the two national insurances that offers the lowest price on average, but what you will pay may vary based on where you live, your driving history, and more. So, as we can see, there's a graph available which is showing the most cheapest car insurance available in the United States. So it is USAA insurance that is just in $215, and the second one is State Farm, and the most expensive one is Farmers. So there are some factors that affect your car insurance rates. The main factor is your state where you are currently living. So if we select the factors by the state, so we can see that all the light color area are the states where the insurance is very low price, but the red area especially have the most expensive insurances. Here's a drop down list. If you are from Alabama, so your insurance charges would be around $368, and the most expensive insurance would be in state of Florida. It would be $1,282. The reason behind this is the Florida is there are many reasons, to be honest, but the main reason would be the crowd or population, and the chances of accidents are more there. Also, there are different prices for the before accident and after accident. So I hope this website will help you to gain the best available insurance for yourself. So if you want to take a look at this website, so it names as valuepenguin.com. This website is available on the Google, so just write valuepenguin.com and you can compare your insurance with all the available insurances in the United States, and you will find the best result. So here we can see that what if you wanted to compare the states in which insurance companies tend to impose the biggest rate increases after an accident? Below, we compare how average insurance rates change after a sample at fault accident by state, showing the five states where insurers penalize drivers the most, and the five states that are more forgiving the drivers with an accident history. So the New York residents are in luck. Their rates only go up to 6% after the sample accident. Every other state see an average annual rate increase of at least 20%. So if you are from New York, so it is a good thing for you. You are a lucky guy. So you can easily you will pay less if you face any accident in your life. But better to drive safe and okay, stay with the smallest increases in rates after an accident. So the New York is at the top. So if you haven't faced any accident before, so your charges would be $2,752, and after that it would be just increase of 6%. But if you are Louisiana, then you will face a 20% difference. If you are from Tennessee, it would be 31%, and if you are from Hawaii, it would be 33%. So it varies, and it's all available on this website. Hope you will find it very informative for yourself before you purchasing any insurance or you want to change your plan. So better to take a look.